Here we go.
Stick to the promise, man. You made me. Stick to the promise, man. You made me.
What's up, everybody? Reaction Action Nation here with the Worldofdevin segment. Today we're here to react to a Family Guy clip titled "Bird is the Word." Now everybody knows what the bird of the word is. If you don't, have you not heard? I heard. Anyway, let's do this. Do me a favor, hit that like button down below. Hit that subscribe button down below. Also hit that bell for more notifications from me. It'll come to you. Also let me know what you want me to react to next, and I got you, fam. Hashtag RAN. Let's get right into this reaction video, you guys. I'm stoked. Let's go.
Oh my god, this is Surfing Bird by the Trashmen. This is my favorite song of all time.
Backwards mirrors.
Oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. A bird's a word, oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. Well, a bird is a word, oh, well, a bird, bird. A bird's a word, oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. A bird's a word, oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. Well, a bird is a word. Chris, don't you know about the bird? Make everybody knows that the bird is the word. Oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. The bird is the word. Hey, guy behind the counter. The bird is the word. Hey, frightened little child. The bird is the word. Lady on the toilet. The bird is the word. Hey, don't you know about the bird?
Sure, everybody knows that the bird is the word.
Oh, well, a bird. Bird. A bird's a word. Oh, well, a bird. Again, I love repetition. Hey, what's your big idea?
This song's from the 1960s. It shouldn't be in this jukebox.
Wait, can I have that record? I love that song. I'll let you have sex with my daughter.
I don't know. Let's see what your daughter looks like.
She's right there.
Okay, I'll do her. But can you tell her to cry and beg me to stop?
I think that can be arranged.
Really? Of course it's gonna be his rape.
Peter, will you give that song a rest? You've been playing it ever since we got home.
No way, Lois. It's my new favorite thing in the world.
Peter, man, we would all have to have your mind.
I'm going to ask you this only once. Do you, or do you not, know about the bird?
Oh, God.
Because everybody's heard that the bird is the word. Bird. The bird's a word. Bird. The bird is a word. Bird.
Ow!
Oh, God, sorry.
Look, just go to sleep, all right?
The bird's a word. Bird. The bird is a word. Bird. The bird is a word. Bird. The bird is a word.
Peter, I have a mammogram in the morning.
Brian, can I see that paper for a sec? Huh. That's odd. I thought that would be big news.
You thought what would be big news?
Well, there seems to be an absence of a certain ornithological piece. A headline regarding mass awareness of a certain avian variety.
What are you talking about?
Oh, have you not heard? It was my understanding that everyone had heard.
Heard what?
Brian, don't! Oh, well, a bird. The bird's a word, 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 Brian, don't you know about the bird? Well, Peter's gonna tell you about the bird, oh, well, a bird. The bird's a word, oh, well, a bird. Surfing
Oh my God, Peter, are you all right?
Oh my God, if we all had the mind that Peter had, man, the world would be a better place. Trust me. How far cartoons can go. That song annoyed the mess out of them. Repetitiveness. Sounds like most of rap today, right? Jeez. Well, certain rappers. Not all rappers. I'm not dissing the whole rap game, I promise. Anyway, that was my reaction to the Bird is a Word by Family Guy clip. If you like our reaction, do me a favor, hit the like button down below. Hit that subscribe button. Also hit that bell for more notifications from me. It'll come to you. Also, let me know what you want me to react to next, and I got you, fam. Hashtag RAN. I'll see you guys in the next reaction video. Till then, I say peace out. Or have you not heard? It was my knowledge that you've heard that this is the best reaction channel on YouTube.